Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you the secret of developing a new skill. And the secret is baby steps. When researchers studied babies to find out how they improved their walking, they discovered that it did not depend on the height or the weight or the brain development of the baby, but it depended on the amount of time the baby spent in trying to walk. So, in order to make any progress in a new skill, you don't need to take huge leaps. You just have to take baby steps and keep on taking them. In Japan, they call it Kaizen, which means continual improvement. If babies had the same self-criticism as adults, they would never learn to walk or talk. Fortunately, they don't have this self-criticism in them, and what they do is they just keep practicing it over and over again. So in order to develop any new skill, you need to just take baby steps and keep on taking them and encouraging yourself till you master the new skill. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. I am Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So, see you again in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and take care.